guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a little vlog today, or maybe the next 3 or 4 days, or maybe the next week. I really don't know. I've tried to start vlogging so many times in the past week and I just haven't filmed anything in any of those days, so I've honestly just deleted all that footage because it's literally just been me talking to the camera and being like, I'm about to do this, I'll touch you guys after I do this. It's just been a bit pointless. Anyway, today is Saturday, and during this self-isolation period I have decided that during the weekdays I'm going to do work for my course, working on songs, working on monologues, doing strengthening work for dancing, which I may do on the weekends as well just to keep fitness up if I feel like that, but also any written work I need to do, I'm going to do that on the weekdays, and then on the weekends I'm going to do any cleaning that I need to do. So like today I've started cleaning my bathroom. It is now 12 o'clock or just after, so I've decided, like I said, trying to keep a routine, so I'm gonna go make some lunch. It's probably not gonna be anything very healthy because we don't have much food in the house at the moment, and I'm just trying to not put too much pressure on myself to be perfect. And yeah, that's my goal at the moment, is to just be productive, do things that are good for me, but don't stress too much if not every single moment of my day is perfect and not everything I eat is perfect. I'm just trying to live my life and progress forward even if not everything is perfect. So this is the current state of the bathroom situation. Like I said, I have cleaned my shower and my bath, and I'm gonna tackle this. So I'm gonna probably take everything off of here and this stuff off the floor and just put it in the hallway for now. Clean all this, put everything back, give it a home, then vacuum the floor, mop the floor, and I should be done. Just thought I should update you guys. I'm currently just sitting in my bedroom because this is where I left my camera. Oh my god, I just spent half an hour picking all the bristles out of my toothbrush. What the hell? So I have a bamboo toothbrush, and basically it gives you instructions on the packet of like how to dispose of everything when you're finished with it, so that you're like not damaging the earth as much, because obviously a plastic toothbrush just goes into landfill. So you pull out all the bristles, which I don't know how to do in a faster way than what I just did. I just pulled them out with tweezers, but oh my god, it took so long. Anyway, enough complaining about that. You compost the bamboo handle and then you put all the bristles in the recycling, they're recyclable. And then like the packaging it comes in a cornstarch like plastic wrapper, which you compost or you throw away. It's really biodegradable, like obviously a lot faster than plastic. And then it comes in a cardboard box that you recycle. I've finished one cupboard, I still got the other one to go, and my goal is to just get my bathroom clean today, and then I'll do something else tomorrow, because I was like, oh, maybe I'll do my bathroom and my bedroom, but honestly it takes a whole day for me to do one room because I'm so slow and so particular. So I'm just gonna focus on my bathroom. But I just thought I'd update you guys. I'm gonna go find out from my parents what they're having for dinner and suss out what I'm gonna have. Wow, just look at this mess. Like what? I can't even get in here. The main thing I wanted to point out was the fact, remember in like, from like 2013 to 2015 when empties videos were a thing? Yeah, I apparently really wanted to make one because I just cleared out under this cupboard, which is now empty. I just need to wipe it down and stuff before I put things back in. But apparently I really wanted to make an empties video, and I hoarded every empty shampoo bottle, conditioner, face wash, deodorant, like what? I just hoarded all of them under that sink, and that also shows how long it's been since I've actually cleared that out. There were even like toothpaste. I was like, oh, I use healthy toothpaste. Not healthy toothpaste, but like natural toothpaste. Let's not throw it out. Anyway, I've just thrown it all out and also realized that I need to start looking for more eco-friendly alternatives to things, because it's not, like, as much as a lot of things can be recycled, a lot of things can't. And so I'm going to try and make a conscious effort to start purchasing things that are either more degradable or can be recycled, or even things that I can buy and reuse. Like, I love Lush for that reason. All of their packaging is either degradable, or like with their pots they have bring back 5 and you get a free face mask, and those 5 they recycle back into new pots. So yeah, I love Lush for that reason. Anyway, I am just going to go and grab, oh wow, a notepad, because eventually I've mentioned this, I kind of remember it might have been in this vlog or just a million other times in life, that I want to redo my room, but I also want to grab a couple things for my bathroom, just like storage containers for those shelves that I just showed you. So I'm just grabbing my little to-do list, and not using it as a to-do list, but just like listing off things that I want to buy to organize myself a bit better. So yeah, I'm gonna grab this, grab a pen, go back to the bathroom, wipe out that cupboard, and hopefully finish in like an hour. It's quite a bit later now. It's actually a lot later now. It's currently 7:15 and I've just ordered myself some food on Uber Eats because treat yourself, and we literally have no food in the house. We're doing a grocery shop tomorrow. I'm just currently sitting in Mum's room because I don't know, the light is just so nice in here because she has this window and then also one over here. So there's just a lot of light in here, so I just sit in here a lot. Recently I have just been watching YouTube, and I was doing a little bit of a look on Kmart, but the website just wasn't loading properly for me, so I just kind of gave up on that. But I finished cleaning my bathroom. Wow, I finished cleaning my bathroom a couple hours ago. Oh yeah, a couple hours ago, maybe just less than. So that's all done, thank God. Tomorrow I'm just gonna clean my door. I really want to show you guys my friend's sister. She's not really my friend's sister, she's just my friend. Just painted her room, and I want to show you it. Look at that, she's painted on her door like sunsets. How insane. And then she also did on her desk. That's crazy. I'm obsessed with it. Anyway, this is what staying at home and self-isolating is doing to people. It's bringing out all of their creativity, and it's bringing me back to YouTube, which I don't know if this is a good or a bad thing, but it's happening. That's about all that's been happening at the moment. I'm going to show you guys when my dinner gets here because I'm very excited. I ordered from a place I've never ordered from before. It's not like an actual store. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. This restaurant in my house has a vegan menu, but then on Uber Eats they have a vegan store kind of thing that's like separate to the restaurant, but has a more extensive menu than their regular vegan menu. Unless they've updated their vegan menu since I last went there, but I don't know, I'm excited to eat some yummy food. So yeah, my food just got here, so I'm gonna go eat that, and I actually think I'm gonna finish this vlog off here because after this Mum mentioned watching a movie, and I'll probably just finish my night reading a little bit and with a peppermint tea, so nothing too interesting. What? Someone wants my food, you cheeky dog. Anyway, I'm gonna sign off. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it's been a while, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed seeing my face again and coming along with my day cleaning my bathroom. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.